Hi, I'm Graham, welcome to Everhot, and in this film I'm going to show you how to use the eco skip function on your cooker. Now, when your cooker's in the timed eco setting and you finish cooking for the evening and you know you don't need the cooker again, you can advance the eco setting. So essentially you can turn the timed eco setting on early and put your cooker into the half temperature eco mode. To do that, you just need to simply push the eco button for 3 seconds. That'll bring up the sub menu, and at the moment you'll see that the skip function is turned off. If you push the power button next to the skip function, you'll then see the cooker's dropped into its half temperature eco mode. The light's flashing orange, which means you've advanced that setting, and it will drop back to the main menu. Again, if you find that you've woken up early and the cooker's within the eco mode overnight, you can then push that button again for 3 seconds. You'll see now that the skip function says on. You can push the power button and that'll reverse and wake the cooker up ready to cook.